a routine issue in one visit, give you another $20. So you're basically hoping that they're 1 minute late and that they can't quite get it all patched up, and then you'll get that cash. Just one of the many ways, two of the many ways actually, that Xfinity is enhancing the customer service experience. Call 1-800-XFINITY or go to Xfinity.com to hear more about what Xfinity has to offer.
Driving conditions. Volume may be lighter than normal because of the holiday week, and a lot of the construction that's out there has been there for a while. Hardly need to remind you that Burton Street is lane closures between Brennan Road and East Beltline, and F44 Belding Road closed between Wolverine and Blakely, and repaving on Byron Center between 28th Street and Chicago Drive with lane closures in Wyoming. I'm Rob Westerby, Fox 17 Traffic.
Sponsored by Shell. You deserve to be rewarded today at Shell with instant gold status. Just join the Fuel Rewards program and save on every fill every day at Shell. Join now at fuelrewards.com/gold.
Get great deals going on now during Menards Priced Right sale. Give your home's exterior a new look with savings on paint. Pittsburgh Paramount exterior paint and primer in one exceeds expectations of what makes great paint. It provides the most protection in one coat. It sheds dirt and resists cracking, peeling, and fading. Save $10 a gallon after rebate. Cover your home with big savings on top quality paint during Menards Priced Right sale.
Save big money at Menards. At Spectrum Health, change is driven by purpose to make you and our communities healthier every day. So we look at what needs to be changed or created, find a solution, and then act. Like when we saw high infant mortality rates among African Americans, we created programs with our community partners that reduced it by nearly 50% in Kent County. We work with schools to make nurses and resources available during the day with the goal of reducing absenteeism and increasing graduation rates. And we support a community food club, providing healthy groceries at an affordable price, because families shouldn't have to choose between eating well or paying bills. Not what you'd expect from a health system, but it's who we are. Everything we do is to help you live a healthier life. To learn more about our community impact, visit spectrumhealth.org/community. Spectrum Health. Inspire, innovate, impact.
Discount Home Improvement. In both stores, you'll see 1,200 new kitchen cabinets.
Very, very cost effective. We got prices that are lower than we've checked every place else and just gone around and done a lot of shopping, a lot of investigating and online and everything has just been great. Just great.
In Grand Rapids, it's corner Plainfield and Leonard. In Muskegon, corner Seaway and Sherman. Discount Home Improvement.
Discount Home Improvement.
What's important to you in a financial advisor?
You truly do get unbiased advice at an independent firm.
Call or go online to mosaicwealthmanagement.com.
Find someone who speaks your language.
Let's look past the headlines. Let's build a portfolio around you. If you keep doing what you've been doing, you may keep getting the same results. Call 949-0900 for Mosaic Wealth Management in Grand Rapids.
Securities offered through LPL Financial, member FINRA SIPC, Mosaic Wealth Management.
Providing Midwest values with a global perspective.
It's been called shell shock, war neurosis, and battle fatigue. Today, we call it post-traumatic stress disorder, and it affects 1 out of every 5 warriors returning from battle in Iraq and Afghanistan. The Wounded Warrior Project offers comfort and support for warriors with PTSD and all other scars of war, whether those scars are visible or hidden. Find out how to help, because for warriors, the greatest casualty is being forgotten. Please visit woundedwarriorproject.org. Hey, this is Eric Zane for Signature Investigations Group, online at signatureInvestigationsGroup.com. These are private investigators. These are the ones who find out if somebody's cheating on you. Divorce investigations, custody issues, they can help. Corporate investigations and GPS tracking. We're talking the good stuff. They'll take care of you at Signature Investigations Group. Find out the truth and use it to your advantage at Signature Investigations Group, online at signatureInvestigationsGroup.com.
Trying to save money? Well, DTE Energy is committed to helping you save. As a matter of fact, we lowered our natural gas rate by 9% as of April 1st.